One recipe I always wanted to do is an M&M ice cream. These are the ingredients we'll be using. You can find them in the description below. Crush your favorite M&Ms. Open from the top while you shake down the candies. Put in a glass. Put a popsicle stick in the center. Carefully pour the whipping cream into the M&Ms. And now to the freezer for at least 3 hours. Melt your favorite chocolate and dip the ice cream inside. If you have M&Ms left, you can sprinkle on top. This is how it looks. Enjoy! Please consider subscribing and liking. Thank you!